When I was a kid, my older cousin told me this stupid challenge people in our town used to do. He called it the doorbell game. The rules were simple. Stay home alone, lights off, and if your doorbell rings after midnight, you don't answer it. No matter what. If you open the door, the game ends badly. I always thought he was messing with me until the night it happened. I was 14, home by myself because my parents were out. I was watching videos in the dark, trying not to fall asleep. Then at 12:17 a.m., my doorbell rang. Once, clear as day. I froze. Nobody visits our house that late, and we live far from the road, so you'd definitely hear a car pull up. I waited, thinking maybe it was a glitch or maybe I imagined it. Then it rang again. Longer, like whoever was out there held the button down on purpose. I grabbed my phone to call my mom, but the moment I opened the lock screen, the doorbell stopped. Everything went silent. No footsteps, no car, no movement. Just someone standing out there, waiting. I crept toward the door and looked through the peephole. Nobody. The porch was empty, but then I heard it. Breathing. Not from outside, from the other side of the door. Right up against it. Slow, heavy breathing like something big trying not to be heard. I backed away so fast I almost tripped over my own feet. I hid in the kitchen behind the island and listened. After a full minute, the doorbell rang a third time. But this time it didn't sound like it came from the button. It sounded like it came from inside the house, right behind me. I didn't sleep until my parents came home. And when I told my cousin what happened, he didn't laugh. He didn't joke. He just stared at me and said, "If it rang 3 times, don't ever play again. Like for part 2,